Artificial intelligence, AI, is moving to the forefront of many apps, including those inside Power Platform. AI can help automate processes. These processes include form processing, classifying information, and predicting future outcomes based on trends. Let's see what benefits the town of Diamond Shores IT infrastructure can gain from the AI Builder, which is a tool organizations can use to build AI models, which can then be used to automate several kinds of processes. I am on the Power Apps homepage, and I will select More, and then AI Models to bring up the AI Builder. I will select Build an AI Model, and here we see opportunities for form processing, classifying information, extracting text, language processing, prediction, and object detection. For one example, Diamond Shores can benefit from the sentiment analysis tool, as it can shape citizen feedback for a town event and adjust future events based on the feedback. Later in this course, we will choose one of these options and see how an AI model is built. As you may have already guessed, these processes can be built without having to write a lot of code. In many cases, no code is required, thus allowing a wide variety of users, not just developers, the opportunity not only to save time and money, but also to use predictive models in their data through this AI Builder.